When it comes to throwing together a nutritious family meal, 'tis the season for fast fixins'. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make a hassle-free meal in minutes that's a kid favorite and makes good use of leftovers. Apple chicken quesadillas. To get started, heat a large skillet over medium heat. While that's heating up, measure out 3/4 cup of Hy-Vee sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups of picked rotisserie chicken breast, 3/4 cup of basket and bushel broccoli slaw, and 1 thinly sliced Granny Smith apple. The slaw adds an extra layer of crunch and sneaks in extra veggies like carrots, broccoli, and red cabbage. Next, place 1 Hy-Vee whole wheat tortilla in the pan, and place 1/4 of each ingredient on the bottom half of the tortilla. Fold the tortilla over the top. Whole grain tortillas contain more fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels and may lower your risk of heart disease. Continue this with 3 more tortillas, cooking until the bottoms are golden, about 4 minutes, then flipping and cooking for another 4 minutes. Hy-Vee's produce department has a huge assortment of apples, ranging from sweet and tart to crisp and crunchy. There's an apple to suit everyone's taste. Serve and enjoy with Primal Kitchen unsweetened classic barbecue sauce. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.